Hi guys, this time I'll just speak English to you guys. Today I want to tell you about my story, and I hope you get motivated from my speech today. Well, the reason why I want to do this is because I saw many students that had a difficult time in between intermediate level and advanced level, because I think the main reason is because they are afraid of making mistakes. That is the basic that is the main reason of why they cannot really go up to the next level, I think. So I'm here. I am Korean, like you guys, and the people who usually studied only in Korea are very afraid of making mistakes, because a lot of Korean people hate others when they make mistakes. And in Korea, we have to mind others. We have to always care about others, because the Korean society is like this already. We were born and raised in Korea, and whenever we were in school, like when we were in high school and middle school, we always supposed to be very calm in the classroom. We could not stand out in the class. Otherwise, friends will just give us a weird look. Why is this guy doing like this or something like that, right? So we're born and raised like this, so we can't help it. But look, I also made a lot of mistakes, and now still I'm making a lot of mistakes, tons of mistakes, and I'm not saying that I'm the master of English or something. I still study every day, and still I always think that I have still a long way to go to achieve the certain level of English speaker. But the point is, the reason why we speak is not to pass the test or something like that. We study English and we speak English because we want to communicate with others, right? It's not because we want to look cool or we want to look awesome from the groups of Koreans, but we speak because we have something to tell. Like right now, I just speak and tell you guys about my story. It's not like I want to show off my English level or something. I'm not really that good at English anyway, right? So I hope you guys also think that speaking English is not to look beautiful or pretty or handsome. It's just to communicate, and language is just a method to communicate with others. It's not like a skill, or it's not, you know what I mean? So yeah, here's the thing. So I'll tell you, you should make a lot of mistakes. That's what everybody says, and now I'm making mistakes, and now I'm stuttering right now, right? Like this, but I still can say that I probably told you what I wanted to tell you right now, and you probably understood, because I am talking with my heart, not with my head. I don't think about anything. I never prepared a script or something. I just talk with my heart, and my heart, you probably felt what I felt, right? That's what we do when we communicate, when we use language, right? So yeah, that's it. I make mistakes, you make mistakes, we make mistakes, and there is a person like me who always is very confident when I speak English, when I make mistakes. I don't really care about those things, because as long as I can convey my meaning to you guys, it's fine. Everything's fine. So look at me and go for it, guys, okay? Thank you for watching. See you next time.